Welcome back, frame savers. So I just received this email from M1 Finance. I guess they have a new product coming out called M1 Spend. This sounds familiar to Robinhood's, doesn't it? But this one is a little different. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the M1 platform, so I want to give my opinion on what I'm reading here and tell you whether I'm going to be using this or not. And at this point, I honestly don't know. Probably not. Anyways, looking at this, M1 Spend is basically adding a checking account to their platform, and you'll be able to access it through the M1 app just like normal. They are offering two versions of this. One is basically a free checking account, and you can do direct deposit, whatever you want with it, just like any checking account for the most part. Although I'm not sure they provide checks. But anyways, and then they have a premium version. So the premium version is what I really want to talk about here. Basically, the M1 Spend is just a checking account and allows you to do direct deposit straight to M1 and gives you a debit card. That's pretty much all it does. And they refund one ATM fee per month if you were to use an ATM. And this checking account is FDIC insured according to this email. I guess the money is saved is actually put into a different bank, which is FDIC insured. So that's how they're FDIC insuring it. Unlike Robinhood's that was just being put into your brokerage account. Anyways, the thing is they are going to charge us for a premium version, if you want it, called M1 Plus. So in addition to the normal checking account that they have, which with no fees or whatnot, the M1 Plus version will have an annual fee, and what you get for the annual fee is you'll get 1.5% APY, and it has an asterisk, so I'm assuming that it's going to fluctuate based on interest rates, of course. It doesn't have the asterisk down here for me to see what the asterisk means. So there will be a premium version that you have to pay for. The cost of this is $125 a year. So about $10.42 a month. And what do we get for our $10.42 each month? Well, we get 1.5% interest on our balance, I guess, in our checking account, which I guess if you have enough in there that could make up for the fee. You'll get a premium tungsten metal card. So your debit card will be a metal card. So that's kind of neat, but not worth $125 a year. And you will earn 1% cash back on all purchases and even more ATM withdrawal fee reimbursements. So it doesn't say how many. Their original, their free one is only one ATM withdrawal fee reimbursement. So you'll get more than one with this for $125 a year. The part that gets me the most is they are putting something in here that I think everybody that uses M1 Finance pretty much wants, and that is a second trading window. Unfortunately, they're hiding that trading window behind a paywall, as gaming people would understand. Basically, you have to be an M1 Plus member to have the afternoon trading window available to you. On M1 Invest, you will receive additional trading options like an afternoon trading window. And then they reduce their interest rate if you borrow money from M1, which I don't think most people are doing, but it's there. And they're going to continue to add perks to the membership plan. I think they need to continue adding perks to this membership plan. I think $10.42 a month or $125 a year. And the only real thing that I get out of this is that afternoon trading window. And I guess the APY, which could change, there's an asterisk. All right, this is going to change based on interest rates. I guess that can make up for it, and maybe the cash back could make up for it. So I guess this could be worth it to some people. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not quite sure about it at this point. I just received the email, and I just wanted to get this information out to you guys in case you were not aware. It might actually be a good deal. Let's do some calculations here. So if I have $5,000, all right, you're gonna need more than $5,000 sitting in your account to pay the fees of $125 a year. So basically you're going to need about $8,500 sitting in your account pretty much all the time in order to earn enough with the 1.5% interest to pay the actual fees for this service of $125 a year. I'm not going to have $8,500 sitting there doing nothing unless it's just my emergency fund. And if I have an emergency fund, I'm not sure I want it to be with a broker. I mean, I guess because I have direct access to it through the debit card, it would be okay. I don't know. I like my emergency fund local, but that's just me. So that's possible. You could have an emergency fund in there of over $8,500 and you'll automatically pay the $125 a year from the interest, assuming that this does not drop in the future. And then with that, of course, you'll get the 1% cash back and the afternoon trading window. So actually, this probably isn't too bad of a deal if you have $8,500 to put in an emergency account just sitting in M1. Then it's going to pay for itself. And at that, you get 1% cash back. So this is essentially 1% back. I mean, you're getting 1% of your money back. That's not bad. It's not horrible. So I don't know what to think about this, guys. I've got kind of mixed feelings about it. I think it could be a good deal, and I think it's not offering enough for $125 a year. I know I can get the majority of these benefits from my current bank account, for that matter, for completely free. So the big thing that entices me about this is that afternoon trading window. I mean, 1% cash back, if that's on all my purchases, then maybe that helps out quite a bit as well. So, but the majority of these features, including the 1% cash back and the APY and all that good stuff, they can be found in other places for free. So I'm not sure I want to pay $125 a year for that. That afternoon trading window is the only thing that possibly entices me a little bit, but that's not going to be worth $125 for me by itself. So they're going to have to add more to this for me to really jump into it, I think. So whether I'm going to sign up for this or not, I don't know. They are also offering a limited time pre-enrollment price of $50. With $50, to get $50 from your 1.5% interest, you need to have about $3,350 in there. So, I mean, it's better than $8,500, but they do have that option. So maybe I'll jump in on this. I don't really know. And I don't know whether this pre-enrollment price of $50 will continue forever or until you cancel or just for the first year. It does not say. So let me know what your thoughts and feelings are on this. I'm really curious of what other people's opinion are on this product they're offering. So anyways, I just want to drop this video out there, let you guys know about this new offering from M1 Finance and get your opinions on what you think about it. Will you be starting this M1 spend up and will you be getting the plus? Like I said, the normal checking account is free, but it doesn't give you a whole lot that you don't already have. It's basically just a checking account. So if you already have a checking account, I'm not sure what the use of this is, to tell you the truth. But anyways, let me know what you think, and I appreciate you watching. Have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.